Now that I'm middle-aged, I noticed that I'm getting some sagging in the jowl area. So I was really excited when 5min Skin offered to send me one of these microcurrent devices. This device fits perfectly in your hand. And if you notice, there's two little balls here. And let me tell you, the massage is amazing. I tend to clench my teeth a lot, and I especially do it at night when I'm sleeping, so my muscles get really sore. This device works really good to just stretch out those muscles right there along my jawline. Along with this device, you'll also get a charging cord. And then to turn it on and get the microcurrent going, you just use the little power button right there. And there are 5 different levels. And you just click it to go through each level. And you just put it on your face and it automatically shuts off after 5 minutes. 5min Skin says that you can start to see results after 12 days. Microcurrents are great to help build collagen and to help tighten up the skin. I found a lot of relief from my clenching by using this every day. And I'm looking forward to seeing how well it works on my jawline to remove some of these jowls and sagging skin. I'm very happy with this device and I think you will be too.